Welcome back to Mastering Origintrail. In Module 1, we talked about the big problem. Today's AI often makes things up. We call that hallucination. You ask a serious question, maybe about health, law, or news, and the AI gives you an answer that sounds right, but it's completely invented. Why does this happen? Because most AI tools like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini work like a very fast student who memorized a huge pile of information. When you ask a question, it doesn't go look up the exact source. It just predicts the next words that sound good. Sometimes those words are true, sometimes they're not, and you usually can't check where the answer came from. This is dangerous. Companies lose money on bad advice. People make wrong decisions. Courts struggle because evidence might be fake. So engineers created something called RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Think of regular RAG like this.
Large language models, they are everywhere. They get some things amazingly right and other things very interestingly wrong. My name is Marina Danilevsky. I am a senior research scientist here at IBM Research, and I want to tell you about a framework to help large language models be more accurate and more up-to-date. Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. Let's just talk about the generation part for a minute.
Before the AI answers, it quickly searches a big database or the internet for relevant information, then uses that to build its reply. It's better than guessing from memory alone. But even regular RAG has problems. The sources can still be wrong, old, or secretly changed by whoever controls the database. You still can't always prove the information is real or unchanged. Now here's where the DKG makes it different. Origintrail created Decentralized RAG, or DRAG for short. Instead of searching one company's database, DRAG searches the decentralized knowledge graph. It pulls answers only from knowledge assets. Those secure digital boxes we talked about in Module 2. Each box comes with a cryptographic proof. Who created it, when, and that it hasn't been tampered with. So when the AI gives you an answer, it can also show you the exact knowledge asset it used. You can click the link and verify it yourself. No more blind trust. Let me make it even simpler. Imagine asking a friend a question. Normal AI is like a friend who sometimes makes up stories and swears they're true. Regular RAG is like a friend who checks their notes first. But the notes are in a notebook that only one person controls and can secretly rewrite. DRAG on the DKG is like a friend who checks notes that are locked in transparent glass boxes. Everyone can see inside. No one can change them without everyone noticing, and you can always trace who wrote what. This is a big deal for real life. It helps fight deepfakes because you can prove whether a video or audio matches a verified knowledge asset. It helps researchers share findings without paywalls. It helps companies and law enforcement check content without giving one central party total control. In short, DRAG moves us from sounds believable to we can actually prove it. In the next modules, we'll learn how to create these knowledge assets yourself and how they work with paranets. But for now, remember this simple shift. The DKG doesn't just make AI smarter, it makes AI honest, because every answer can be traced back to something real and verifiable. Let's keep going.